Hey, what's up guys? One Tech Traveler checking in here in Fuji, Japan. I'm joined today with Miho-san. Say hello. And today we are on a day trip to a place called Shiraito no Taki. It's the waterfalls just 30 minutes away from Fuji city, and we've already just arrived here. Very easy to get to by car, and the view is absolutely stunning. So I'm going to take you around the views. Hope you enjoy, and I'll catch you back at the end of the video. See you later.
The air time.
Yeah? The air is so fresh.
Yeah, and cool.
Ah. Oh, wow, it's beautiful down here as well.
Yeah. You want to go down there?
Yeah, we'll go down there, just can enjoy it from here. I was like, okay. I was like, wait, what? Oh.
Spiders are always up here. Oh.
Miho's scared of spiders, just so you know. Fun fact. Kind of just feel like in the rainforest. In a deep jungle.
Oh.
Yeah. Alright guys, we are at Shiraito
no Taki?
Shiraito no Taki, and we're just chilling at the rock bed, and we are very close to the waterfall. Wow. Myself and Miho just finally finished our time in Shiraito no Taki. Yeah. What did you think? Really beautiful, right?
It was very, very beautiful.
Yeah, we were flying my drone. A lot of people were very excited and seeing it. And closer to the waterfall, there's a lot of moisture in the air, but it was an absolute champion. I hope you enjoyed the aerial footage and showing you down to the ground. Had a lovely time, but we're finishing our day trip now. And we saw a view of Mount Fuji, which you can see now, and we are calling it a day. So thanks a lot for joining us. If you want to see more awesome videos like this one, especially my Around Japan tour, make sure to hit that subscribe button just down below. So I'll see you in the next video, but until then,
Keep being awesome.
yeah, see ya.
Bye.